Welcome! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unpin a message in Discord Mobile with the latest updated steps. Whether you pinned something by mistake or just want to tidy up your chat, this process is straightforward and quick. So let's get right into it. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and ready to go. Once you're in, head over to your Messages section where all your chats are listed. Now, open the chat with the user or group where the pinned message is located. Tap on the user's name at the top of the screen. This will bring up more options for that chat, including the Pins section. Next, tap on Pins to view every message that's currently pinned in that conversation. You'll see a list of all pinned messages right here. Find the message you want to unpin. When you've located it, tap on it to open or highlight it. Then, long press on that message until a menu appears. From that menu, simply tap on Unpin Message. Discord will ask you to confirm this action. Just tap Confirm, and the message will instantly be removed from the pinned list.